Hi, good morning everybody. This is Nicholas Teo from CMC Markets, Singapore. The date today, 28th of April, a few more days left before the end of the month. Will we see a continuation of China moving up after having had such a strong month? Or are we going to see perhaps a little bit of profit taking coming in towards the close? It remains to be seen. But first, Apple Inc. Apple reported results last night, as we highlighted in our piece yesterday, with regards to a flag of their results or their numbers. They came in with very good numbers. Massive quarter that was reported with about 58 billion in terms of revenue versus an estimate of around 56 billion. But what was also quite significant was that for the very first time, Apple in that quarter had announced a larger number of phones sold in China than they had in the Americas. Now this is obviously a landmark thing, but will it make any impact on their numbers or on their stock price remains to be seen. In the after hours, Apple edged up a bit, about 1.5%, which a lot of analysts were citing as one of the smallest sort of reaction to the recent quarters ahead. As we flagged yesterday, the chart pattern shown here is similar to where we are over here about 3 months or about a quarter ago. Now, this level of 133.6 is actually quite a crucial level. If it breaks with momentum, we may see this punching through, perhaps even playing out to a similar tune as we did down here. Unfortunately, if this holds and becomes a persistent sort of resistance, we may see this like a double top forming. We may see things turning down. Apple in their announcement last night also suggests that they are going to speed up their cash return to clients, or rather to investors, in the form of a slight increase in dividend, and also a more aggressive share buyback, which ultimately lends a bit of support and puts a floor where the stock is concerned. On another story in the Singapore front, another company in Singapore, Sembcorp Marine, announced numbers late last night also. It's featured here as part of the bigger losers today. Sembcorp Marine is a rig builder in Singapore. Together with Keppel, they have come under quite a bit of strain where their where outlook for the sector is concerned in view of lower prices of oil. Now we've seen this stock actually falling, off the, most of the last year or so, and this is fall not too dissimilar to the price of oil. We see it try to rebound, but it basically has faded every time it attempted to rebound. We are seeing a fade down here on the back of results. They announced a drop in profits of about 14%. This is almost in line with what the market had expected, but what's interesting is that they have not been able to announce any new contracts since the beginning of this year. This is actually 4 months into the year, and for companies like Sam Marine and Keppel Corp, announcing new contracts are the ones that are the catalysts that actually move the stock. Now, this stock coming down, we may see it test once more its low. It's low down here of around the 288 to call it maybe the 290 mark, and it will continue to trade persistently in this range. Should any breakup on the upside or any breakup on the downside happen, I think we can see fast moves again. Fast moves up if it breaks up purely because it's consolidated for this length of time, and likewise fast move down, which could see things set for perhaps a lower sort of levels. So it's something that we urge to be patient, watch it, and also more of a reaction on a trigger of a move. Besides that, markets are opening up really quiet. China, for once, we are seeing only double-digit sort of moves, but it's still early days, and as I alluded to really early in the call, this is actually the last few days of the month. Good month. We may see some profit taking coming in later. Thank you.